the semiconductor industry faces a significant challenge from a talent shortage. With the increasing demand for semiconductor products, there is an urgent need to fill a gap in the workforce. A lack of skilled professionals can slow down the semiconductor industry's progress. The semiconductor industry needs to develop new strategies to attract and retain talent. It includes providing career opportunities, training programs, and competitive salaries. Besides the technical curriculum, universities should also invest in developing a program that exposes students to develop problem-solving, critical thinking, and data analysis skills. By doing so, they can ensure that the industry has access to the best talent available and can remain competitive in this rapidly changing market. The semiconductor industry is also one of the most rapidly changing industries in the world. As technology advances, so does the need for a highly skilled workforce to keep up with the latest trends and developments. To ensure an adequately trained workforce, universities and industries must work together to provide comprehensive training programs to equip workers with the skills they need to succeed in this ever-evolving field. By combining university-level education with hands-on experience from industry professionals, students can gain a deep understanding of semiconductor technology and its applications. It will enable them to become valuable members of the semiconductor workforce and help drive innovation in this sector. Another factor contributing to the workforce shortage is that many experienced professionals are retiring or leaving the industry due to several factors. As a result, companies need help finding qualified candidates to fill these roles and ensure future growth. To overcome all such challenges, it is about time the semiconductor industry focuses on long-term workforce planning, or the need for a trained workforce will have a cascading impact.